If you're just starting out and looking for the best AI video generators in 2025, you're in luck. There are now several powerful tools designed specifically for beginners. But among all of them, InVideo is arguably the best all-in-one platform you can start with. It simplifies everything. You don't need to learn editing, buy expensive gear, or even hire a team. With InVideo, all you have to do is input your text or ideas, select a pre-built template, and the AI does the rest. It generates a full video complete with visuals, transitions, animations, voiceovers, and music. Even if you've never created a video before, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can put together professional quality content. What makes InVideo so beginner-friendly is its simple interface. Everything is drag and drop. And there's a huge collection of customizable templates for every niche. Whether you want to make YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, TikToks, or product promos, it's all possible inside this one platform. You'll also love the fact that it gives you access to AI voiceovers in different languages and tones, so you don't even have to use your own voice. Other AI tools might offer similar features, but InVideo combines everything into one seamless experience that's tailored for speed, simplicity, and results. And the best part, you can try it right now with no cost up front. Click the link in the description and join. InVideo for free. It's the fastest and easiest way to begin your journey as a video creator in 2025. If you want results without the learning curve, this is the tool you need.